In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enroll contacts in a sequence in HubSpot, step by step. If you're using HubSpot for sales outreach or follow-ups, sequences are one of the most powerful tools you can use to automate emails and tasks while still keeping your communication personal. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly select contacts, enroll them into a sequence, adjust the settings, and launch it with confidence. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple HubSpot tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top navigation bar and click on Contacts. Then from the drop-down menu, click on Contacts again. This will take you to your main contacts list, where you can see all the contacts stored in your CRM. Here, you'll see a table with names, email addresses, company details, and other properties. To enroll contacts into a sequence, you first need to select the specific people you want to include. Go ahead and check the boxes next to the contacts you want to enroll. You can select one contact, a few contacts, or even multiple contacts at once, depending on your needs. This is especially useful if you're running a targeted outreach campaign and want to follow up with a specific segment of leads. After selecting the contacts, look at the top menu bar above the contact list. You'll see several action options. Click on More in the top menu. A drop-down menu will appear with additional actions you can take for the selected contacts. From this drop-down, choose Enroll in Sequence. Once you click Enroll in Sequence, HubSpot will prompt you to choose the sequence you want to use. If you've already created sequences, you'll see them listed here. Select the appropriate sequence for your campaign. For example, this could be a follow-up email sequence, a cold outreach sequence, or a post-meeting follow-up sequence. After selecting your sequence, you'll move to the Enrollment settings screen. This step is very important, so don't just rush through it. Here you can review the email templates that will be sent, adjust the timing between steps, and personalize tokens if needed. Make sure the sender email address is correct, especially if you have multiple connected inboxes. You can also adjust task reminders and delays to match your outreach strategy. Take a moment to double-check everything, including personalization fields like first name or company name, to ensure your emails feel tailored and professional. Once you're satisfied with the settings, go ahead and click Start Sequence. As soon as you click this button, the selected contacts will be officially enrolled, and HubSpot will begin sending emails and creating tasks according to the schedule defined in your sequence. And that's it. That's how you enroll contacts in a sequence in HubSpot quickly and efficiently. Using sequences properly can save you hours of manual follow-up while keeping your outreach consistent and organized. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tips, CRM tutorials, and sales automation guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.